Page 25, subtracting fractions. Subtract. State any excluded values, wholes and vertical asymptotes. Here's your steps for adding and subtracting fractions. First, you want to set up the fractions with the least common multiple, like on the previous page. If you're subtracting the fractions, you also want to distribute the negative sign into each term and change the middle sign to a plus. After that, combine the numerators. You leave the denominators as one thing. Factor, find your wholes, and then find your vertical asymptotes. Let's look at some of these. Let's look at this one. We have 4p over 3 minus 2 over 3 times p minus 3. So we want to set this up using the least common multiple. It looks like we have p minus 3 here and 3 and just 3 right here. So we're going to multiply by p minus 3 over p minus 3 for the first fraction, and then 1 for the second fraction. So they have p minus 3 times 4p over 3p minus 3 plus negative 2 over 3p minus 3. We distribute the negative sign into the second numerator and put a plus sign here. From there, we're going to combine the two fractions into one. Let's distribute that 4p into each of those. So we have 4p squared minus 12p minus 2 all over 3 parentheses p minus 3. Let's see if we can factor the top. Looks like we could take out a 2. This could be 2. That's a negative 6. That's a negative 1 now. From there, it doesn't look factorable, so there's nothing to cancel out for wholes. So we have 2 parentheses 2p squared minus 6p minus 1 all over 3 parentheses p minus 3. Now you're going to have a vertical asymptote at p equals positive 3 because that's what would give you a 0 here. So your excluded value is p equals 3, and then this is your simplified expression. Let's look at another one. So we have 9 over 10 over 7 minus 4 over 7. This is a complex fraction. So what we want to do first is combine these two. They already have the same denominators. So we have 9 over 10 minus 4 over 7. Well, 10 minus 4 is 6, so we have 6/7. 9 is the same thing as 9 over 1. So we have 9 over 1 divided by 6 over 7. We'll do our keep fraction change operation, flip second fraction, to get 9 over 1 times 7 over 6. Well, 9 and 6 can be factored. 9 is 3 times 3, and 6 is 3 times 2. And then we'll write our other numbers right there because they can't be factored anymore. Now there's going to be one number that cancels from the top and the bottom. That's 3. There's no wholes there because there's no variables. And then multiply straight across. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 times 2 is 2. This is your simplified fraction, 21 halves. Alright, go ahead and finish the rest of the page, and then move on to the next page.